Why you should eat ginger every day. Ginger is a blooming plant that grows in Southeast Asia. It's among the best for the health and generally heavenly flavors in the world. It has a place with the Zingiberaceae family, and it's firmly identified with turmeric, cardamom, and galangal. The rhizome, underground piece of the stem, is the part usually utilized as a zest. It's normally called ginger root or just ginger. Ginger can be utilized as new dried powder or as an oil or squeezed liquid. It's exceptionally normal for use in different food items as a spice ingredient. It's occasionally added to prepared food varieties and beautifiers. Did you know what the health benefits of ginger are? In this video, we are going to share why you should eat ginger every day. Here are medical advantages of using ginger on a daily basis that are upheld by logical examination. But before we begin, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. Number 1. Contains therapeutic properties. Ginger has an extremely long history of utilization in different types of conventional and elective medication. It's been utilized to help in absorption of food in the stomach, lessen nausea, and assist with battling season's virus and normal cold. To give some examples of its usage, the interesting scent and kind of ginger come from its normal oils, the most significant of which is gingerol. Gingerol is the fundamental bioactive compound in ginger. It's answerable for quite a bit of ginger's medical properties. Gingerol has incredible antioxidants and cell reinforcement impacts, as indicated by research. For example, it might assist with decreasing oxidative pressure, which is the consequence of having an overabundance measure of free radicals in the body. Number 2. Assist with weight reduction. Obesity is one of the major problems nowadays. But don't worry, we got you here. Ginger may assume a part in weight reduction, as per examines led in people and other subjects. A 2019 writing audit reasoned that ginger supplementation altogether diminished body weight. A 2016 investigation of 80 ladies having obesity tracked down that ginger could likewise assist with lessening weight record, BMI, and blood insulin levels. High blood insulin levels are related to excessive body weight. Study members got moderately high everyday dosages, 2 grams of ginger powder for 12 weeks. In another writing survey of utilitarian food varieties, additionally reasoned that ginger had an extremely beneficial outcome on obesity and weight reduction. The proof for ginger's part in forestalling reducing body weight is more grounded in animal research studies. Rats and mice having the intake of through ginger water or ginger concentrate reliably saw diminishes in their body weight, even in occurrences where they likewise been taken care of high-fat eating regimens. Number 3. Battle germs. Certain chemical compounds in fresh ginger help your body ward off germs. Certain synthetic mixtures in new ginger assist your body avert germs. They're particularly acceptable at stopping development of microbes like E. coli and Shigella, and they may likewise keep infections like RSV under control. Number 4. Keep your mouth healthy. Ginger's antibacterial force may likewise light up your grin. Dynamic mixtures in ginger called gingerols hold oral microscopic organisms back from developing. These microbes are the very ones that can cause periodontal illness, a genuine gum contamination. Number 5. Cure nausea. Ginger aids in case you're attempting to facilitate a squeamish stomach, particularly during pregnancy. It might work by separating and disposing of developed gas in your digestive tracts. It may likewise assist with settling nausea or queasiness brought about by chemotherapy. Seasickness can also be cured by consumption of ginger. Number 6. Soothes sore muscles. Ginger will not whisk away muscle torment on the spot. However, it might tame irritation over the long run. In certain investigations, individuals with muscle problems from practice who took ginger had less torment the following day than the individuals who didn't. Number 7. Facilitate arthritis symptoms. Anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help in curing symptoms of arthritis, which implies it reduces inflammation. That might be particularly useful for treating indications of both rheumatoid joint inflammation and osteoarthritis. You may get alleviation from torment and growth either by taking ginger by mouth or by utilizing a ginger pack or fix on your skin. Number 8. Check cancer growth. A few examinations show that bioactive particles in ginger may hinder the development of certain tumors like colorectal, gastric, ovarian, liver, skin, bosom, and prostate malignant growth. Be that as it may, considerably more examination is expected to check whether this is valid. Number 9. Brings down blood sugar. If used in moderation, ginger can be a useful complement to your diabetic treatment. Consuming up to 4 grams of sugar each day may help regulate insulin production and reduce blood sugar levels. One late little examination recommended that ginger may help your body use insulin better. Bigger examinations are expected to check whether ginger could assist with further developing glucose levels. Number 10. Relieve menstrual pains. Ginger is a wonderful herb for relieving menstruation cramps. This herb aids in the reduction of pain-inducing prostaglandins in the body. It can also help with premenstrual syndrome fatigue and make irregular periods more regular. In examinations, ladies who took 1,500 milligrams of ginger powder once every day for 3 days during their cycle felt less pain than ladies who didn't. Number 11. Brings down cholesterol. Ginger can lower your total cholesterol and triglycerides, and a 2008 study found that it can lower your LDL cholesterol while increasing your HDL cholesterol. Ginger can be taken as a supplement or powder, or it can simply be added to food uncooked. A day-by-day portion of ginger may help you fight your terrible or LDL cholesterol levels. In a new report, taking 5 grams of ginger a day for 90 days brought down individuals' LDL cholesterol a normal of 30 focuses. Number 12. Secures against disease. Ginger is stacked with cell antioxidants, intensifying the forestall pressure and harm to your body's DNA. They may help your body fend off ongoing illnesses like hypertension, coronary illness, and sicknesses of the lungs, in addition to advancing healthy development. Number 13. Eases indigestion. Because it can lower stomach acid, ginger is another natural cure for indigestion. Too much stomach acid produces indigestion in the same way that too little stomach acid does. To relieve indigestion and soothe your stomach, drink a cup of ginger tea as needed. In the event that you live with ongoing acid reflux, likewise called dyspepsia, ginger could bring some help. Ginger before suppers may make your framework void quicker, allow your stomach to digest properly, and reduce stomach inflammation. Number 14. Help clear your skin. Ginger includes gingerols, which are natural oils that relieve inflammation and pain. Gingerol's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve inflamed skin. According to a recent study, eating a combination of curcumin, the active element in turmeric, and ginger improved the appearance and healing ability of the skin. It contains over 40 antioxidants that are thought to help combat the effects of aging. Ginger not only helps your skin by removing impurities, but it also improves blood circulation. Other advantages include lessening the damage produced by free radicals and tightening the skin. So these are all the benefits of ginger. We hope after watching this video, you know how you can stay healthy by incorporating intake of ginger in your daily food. Like this video and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Till then, be happy and enjoy eating healthy.